Hello world, today I'm going to be testing out my object spawning agent. Mainly going to be doing some, well, I guess I should say I'm going to be developing and testing some tools for converting how do I say this? So I use Game Maker to prototype a lot of stuff, and I usually will write scripts that ingest a lot of the Game Maker like level data files and just sort of translate that information into something the NES can understand. Right now I was just kind of touching up this GMX conversion script that I've got. Basically just goes through and reads the file and creates a bunch of arrays that the object spawning agent uses. So it will create an array for the x coordinate and the y coordinate, as well as the type of object and the ID. So I should probably rename these things to those values as opposed to ID and count. That's kind of confusing. But yeah, I should probably test this thing out just to make sure it works. Let's see. Yeah, let's see what this thing looks like. So yeah, this is what Game Maker generates. It's yeah, basically a giant XML file, and it's got a bunch of objects in it marked as instances. I also have some other scripts that will read the tile data here and translate that as well. But anyways, so see if I take this, I think I could just drag and drop it on here. Yeah, there you go. So this is what it creates from that file we were just looking at. Yeah, it's got, oh yeah, I really should probably change these names, because these are the labels. Should probably also maybe prompt to figure out what the label name should be. Yeah, so if I go up to the area where I have that data, which should be somewhere down here. Yeah. Yeah, it really needs to look like this. Instead of just sorted X high, I'm gonna have to or I guess I could just kind of change the name as I copy it in and paste it. Well, first things first, I suppose I should just rename this from, yeah, this is not the ID. This is really the object type, and this is really the ID, which essentially is just the count. So if I go back to my Python script here, yeah, I'm not a fan of Python. I don't know why I wrote this in Python. Probably just to brush up on it as an exercise. I'm going to change this to type. And I'll change this to ID. Oh my goodness, there we go. I'll delete that. Dump that there. And object type, object ID. So that makes more sense. Yeah, and I can't actually really test this out because I don't have all these different object types defined in the engine yet. Let's see here. So let me pull up Game Maker. So I already prototyped a lot of stuff just to test some of the game ideas out as part of rapid development. I like to use this just because it's very fast to develop in, as opposed to writing stuff in Scratch in assembly. It's good to test your ideas out first before you sort of commit them in stone. So this essentially is the room that I've been developing in. I'm probably going to redesign some of it, but I mean, it works for now. I wonder if I have... Do I have the bird? I do have a bird object. Okay. So I guess I'm going to test a few of these out. So there's a special case with the spawning agent where... Oh, yeah, actually didn't consider this. Because it only... It only spawns stuff that is like outside the or I shouldn't say outside the view, but basically when the game initially loads, the way the spawning agent works is it's predicated upon movement. So since there's no movement when the game first starts, I just manually load objects in here. Because of that, I'm wondering if I should just have some special case for these things and just make them persistent, meaning they don't despawn. Yeah, this is kind of an edge case I didn't really think about until just now. Well, yeah, I suppose. Yeah, how do I want to do this? I don't know. I'll think about that later. Right now I just need to test. I just need to test spawning objects here. I guess I'm gonna, how many should I have? I should probably do just a few at first and then just keep adding more. And maybe I'll stumble across some weird edge case. So looking at this right now, so it should be this object, this object, this object, this object for the X, this object, this object, this object, this object for the Y. Let's just see if this works. So object bird, so let me save that. Save. Oh shoot, I have to find where this file is actually located on my computer. Let me look for that. Yeah, I'm not sure where I saved this to. If I do save as, okay, is it in my documents? Okay. Rooms. This is room 25. Okay, I think I found it. Let me just copy and paste that into here. Let me delete this. Oh, value not found object bird. Okay, did I not define that in here? Okay, let me call this guy bird. I'll move swing to down here. Okay, save. All right. Let me try that again. Okay. Edit. Yeah, object type is all the same. That looks correct. Okay, so it looks like it's 0, 1, 2, 3. ID for the Y. I'm just going to quickly validate this. Okay. Should probably resize this. Can I do that? Okay. And move this over here. Move that over there. Oh, that's right, this is in decimal, not hex, and I can't just quickly look at this to confirm if it's correct or not. Well, it looks like this should be the first one. Yeah, it's 060. Wait, is this correct? 060 D0. Oh yes, yeah, 0D0, 1B0, 240. That's correct. Okay, so that means that this is 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 0, 0, 1, 1, 3, 3. So that's correct. So let me now try to put this into the actual game. So this over here. Okay. Oh, I should probably also tack on this weird, like, these terminators. Something I guess I will do later. Okay. So I will comment this out. Yeah, I will comment this out. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay, X low. X sorted high. Okay. Wait a minute. Did I do that right? Yes, this is high, this is low. This is low. This is high. Okay. Type. Okay. Okay. So that's that. And I should try the same thing for this. That is X low, X low, X high, X high, Y low, Y high, type ID. There we go. Okay, now I can comment this out. Okay. Now for the moment of truth. I should probably open another window for this. Let me do that. Yeah, I don't need this one anymore. Yeah. Oops. Okay. So let me assemble this. Now I'm gonna drag it over. What the heck? Oh, there we go. Epic lag. All right. So I should be seeing this thing, this sort of distribution. So yeah, these guys are preloaded. And I don't see anything. So what is wrong? Nothing. That's odd. I see you down here. Oh! I think I may have modified. Oh, I did. Yeah, this map is different. That's right. Yeah, because this has this little ledge here. And this doesn't. Oh, I'm so silly. That's right. I modified that a long time ago. Okay. All right, so this won't be too terribly useful. Yeah, I would need to... How would I do this? Yeah, so effectively, my window would be here instead of my window being here, the window would be over here, meaning this guy wouldn't get spawned. But I should still see that guy. I should still see these others. I'm seeing one down here. I wonder which one that one is. Let me open up. Where is it? Here we go. All right. Recycle. Okay. So already on 2, already on 3, 4. Actually not seeing any writes. Which makes sense. Not seeing writes to the spawn array, which I'm guessing is because I haven't actually seen anything spawn yet. Spawn this thing. He's up there. Why didn't I why did he not spawn before? Yeah, why is he not spawned here? What the heck? What the hell? What, does he spawn down here? I'm so confused. Okay. So this guy's supposed to spawn there. Okay. Does he consistently do that? No, he didn't. He's not spawned there. What the hell? That is really annoying. Okay, so there's something wrong. Why does he not spawn there? I wonder if it's just funky because, yeah, I'm spawning Well, I know I shouldn't be spawning within the window. Yeah, because these numbers... these numbers are big enough, right? Well, maybe not this one. Actually, well, that doesn't matter if this is here. This is supposed to be... This is supposed to be this one right here. Sorted Y low. Y. Why is that not working? Well, let's think. Let's think here. Going down. What is the nature of this? Three, two, one. Does it there? Yeah, the previous one is 3, which is... Oh, none of these ones. Let me close these. Okay, let me think. 0, 1, 2. Oh, duh. No wonder why this isn't working. I'm such an idiot. So stupid. Oh, you are so stupid, Nick. Oh man, okay. I even mentioned it, and I didn't even bother adding it. Yeah. God, it's so dumb. I have to add these things. And this one. Yep. guess technically I don't need to tack it on at the end of these. Okay, and the same thing for this. Okay, okay, okay. Stupid. Okay. 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 Alright, this should work now. If it doesn't, I'll be very surprised. Okay, and I'm still not getting stuff. Lovely. Why am I not getting stuff? Okay, now you decided to show up. But you're late to the party. Okay, that is looking more correct. 5 and 4. So this really should be like this. Zero, 1, and let me make this a bit more readable. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here, same thing. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the one after it would be 5. Okay. Okay. So we're pointing, here's our next one, we're going up. Yeah, our X is not in range. X, okay. X is in range for this one. 70, and that's 2, 0, 1, 2. So that guy there is the one we're seeing on screen, and he is at position 2. Yeah, I went to 3 here. What the hell? Now he spawns here? What is going on here, man? So weird. Okay, it's like right here. It doesn't when I spawn. It doesn't scroll in when I'm spawning in the side directions. Is that because I screwed up the X direction somehow? Kind of looks like it, because These things aren't updating. God, what did I do? Why is that broken? This looks correct. Y looks correct. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, the third one. Ugh. X's, both of these X ones are screwy. Neither of them update. And they should. Because when we're looking at X, yeah, why isn't, so what is 1 here? Both of these are 1. Why isn't it updating? Great. Okay. What changed? What did I change? I need to think about that. Okay, I need to think. Yeah, it looks like the Y is working, but I may have done something to screw up the X. I guess for me to really test this theory out, I should, yeah, so they do spawn. Yeah, okay. Alright, so I just screwed up fucking, god damn it, screwed up the X somehow. And I should modify my other script, maybe before I proceed. Yeah, should I just have that initial value in here first? How should I do this? How should I do this? I just do, can I do this in Python? What does this do? What does this give me? Should I just make this a string, actually? I need this. Oh, stupid auto. Can I do this? I don't know. I guess I'll find out. Stupid freaking Windows doesn't know to open a file. Okay, except I don't want that format. I actually want to do just a $sign. Yeah, like that. Just copy this. Okay. And I think do I need to do that for the other array? I do believe so. I suppose I could have just... Oh, actually, when this gets sorted... God fucking... I wonder... Maybe I shouldn't put it here. Yeah, because I think that stuff... Maybe I shouldn't put it here. Maybe I should... Maybe I should just put it here? Maybe I just do that. Same for these. And then what? Well, let me test this. Okay. Need a comma there. Comma space. Okay. And then okay. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's see. Let me see. Okay. Okay, do I want to... want to do, I want to append, I guess, yeah, I should just append I need to append to the end of this, I believe. It's not that, it's just this, right? Just don't need to do that. I actually don't need that or that. Right, I think that's right. Let me just test this. Okay. What the heck? Do that again? Okay. I don't know why it's truncating that. I don't know. I'm not a Python person. Whatever. Works for me. Okay. It must be. Yeah, okay. All right. Okay. Okay. That should fix that. Okay. That's that. Now I should look into why my X is not working properly. Need to find the location of that. Yeah, I should probably reorganize this. Break it up into other files. Although I kind of like having it all in one giant file. It's fun. Okay, down, up, left, right. I'm not screwing anything with the actual pointer variable, I don't think. No? Don't think so. Okay. Why? What would be causing this? Let me look more at this. Look at memory. Why is this stuck here? Did I name things incorrectly? Did I? I swear to God. Let me double check that. That would be really dumb if I got the naming wrong. I mean, looks right. High and low. High and low. Type ID. I don't see what is wrong here. Yeah, our left starts out here, and the right starts off here. Oh, yeah, okay, I see why. Yeah, that guy needs to be outside that initial window. Okay, yeah, that's the problem. Bad data. Yeah, this guy's within the starting window. How the hell did that happen? How did that guy get resolved to? Oh, because he's down here. Oh, so that's very interesting. So, because this is down here, this pointer on the right side is looking next. His next position that he's looking at is here, and he's never going to reach that. Hence why the right direction doesn't spawn. Okay. Okay, how do I handle this? That's a very interesting problem. That's funny. Well, how the hell is the Y working? Because the Y has the same problem. Yeah, how the hell does the Y work? I can understand why the X doesn't work. Yes, if I move this guy from down here to over here, basically if if I move like all these guys down here, then it should work. Let me save just to show, just to prove my point. Copy. Where is my folder? It's somewhere around here. This was, no, that's not it. Oh, I got too much stuff open. Nope. Get out of your notifications. Okay, whatever. I'll just go back to my tools. Okay. Yes. Dump it. Edit. Alright, so yeah, I moved that guy over. So let's change the data here. If I grab you and you, so this is the X high. X low, the Y high, the Y low, and this remains the same, and that remains the same, and this changes. Okay, that remains the same, and this one does change. Okay. Oh, fucking A. Wrong file. Go back up. Okay, save. Now I need to assemble this. Build. Okay. Put this in here. All right. And my room looked like this. So I should see these things. Yeah, one. I see one. One spawned. That's where the other one is. Up there, down there, down there. So these must be the two upper ones. So I need to go over, oh my God, here maybe? Or maybe up here? Yeah, up here. Okay, so this is the bottom corner one. That's the top. I don't know if this is the bottom. Okay, that's the bottom and the top. Oh yeah, so they all spawn. I just needed to find where they were mapped in here, since my game map over here is out of date with what I have loaded in here. Or I should say my engine, the map I have loaded in my engine is out of date to what I have in the level editor. Okay, so yeah. So this works. It's just, yeah, there's this edge case that I have to consider now. And I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to handle that. How do I handle it when I have, yeah, when this guy is first over here and our view is here? That's the question. View is over here. This guy's down here. I guess I just have to, fuck. Do I have to make another array? No. No, I don't need another array. I probably just need a start variable. Some variable that just, when I load this initially, a variable that just tells me, don't go here. Don't point to this guy as your next guy. Because if I had like a, let's see, enemies, bird. If I had like a bunch of other birds down here, let's just say I had that many. Now in my array, I'd have this, 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 and I don't want to be pointing to this one and this one. This is not, this actually isn't the one that's, yeah, this left guy is not pointing to this guy, and the right one's not pointing to this one. So what I'm doing wrong is in my code, when I load, no, where is my load that I'm doing? This is the NMI stuff. Yeah, level load. In my code, I am hard coding the indexes right now. Wherever they are at. Where the hell did I put it? Right here. Yeah. 0 is hard-coded and 1 is hard-coded. So I'm probably going to have to read in data to figure out what my initial starting values should be for the pointers. Just again, to illustrate, right now, 0 and 1, that's like what my next, if we're talking about in the X direction, right now it's saying this guy is to the left of this, which is not true. And this guy is to the right of this, which is not true. But for the left direction, it's actually fine. It's fine if this guy is marked over here. Because as this is moving, this is still in the left. It's not until it hits the next one that it updates. So I think the zeros can actually remain the same. I think the zeros can remain the same. I think it's meaning these pointers that are initialized to 0, these that are zeroed out can remain the same, I'm thinking. Yeah. Oh my God, I'm trying to be fast. Initially, these pointers can be set to 0 initially. But the other ones, the right ones, this one, whatever's right to it, that has to be set to the next one. So in my script, in a little Python script, I'm going to have to make a change where I'm just going to have to calculate, like, who's the next object whose x value is greater than 256. Make that guy. Make that guy the next index. To do, make object whose x is greater than 256, the next spawnable object to point to. And the same thing with the y direction. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to do the same thing for that. For this one, it's yeah, it's not 256. Okay. All right, so that's what I will do next time. So I found some interesting issues with. So I guess, yeah, the spawning works. It's just I need some stuff to properly initialize the data, which is good. That's a good sign. Yeah, I should probably also update this map. But yeah, that's stuff that I will do next time. All right, I think that will be it for